Today we will delve deeply into how the greatest guide for humanity, the Qur'an, was revealed, how it has been preserved, its unique characteristics, and why it surpasses all other scriptures. The revelation of the Qur'an. The Qur'an was revealed in two stages. First, it was sent down in its entirety from the preserved tablet to the lowest heaven, to a special place called Bayt al-Izza. This is known as Inzāl. Then, over a period of 23 years, it was gradually revealed to the Prophet Muhammad through the Angel Jibreel. This gradual revelation is called Tanzīl. Why was it revealed in parts? There are wise reasons behind this. Immediate response to events, gradual transformation of society, facilitation of memorization, gradual spiritual training of hearts. How the Qur'an was preserved. This part is particularly striking. The Qur'an is the only book that Allah Himself has promised to protect. In Surah Al-Hijr, verse 9, it is stated, "Indeed, it is we who sent down the reminder, and indeed we will be its guardian." The Prophet dictated every verse to his scribes immediately upon its revelation. Moreover, there was a strong tradition of memorization among the companions. During the caliphate of Abu Bakr, following the Battle of Yamama, where many memorizers of the Qur'an were martyred, the Qur'an was compiled into a book for the first time. A committee led by Zayd ibn Thabit undertook this task. Later, during the caliphate of Uthman, it was standardized, reproduced, and distributed to major Islamic cities. The Qur'an has been preserved both through writing and memorization. Even today, it remains letter for letter exactly the same on the tongues of thousands of memorizers. Not a single letter has changed, nor has its meaning been corrupted. The Qur'an is protected in both its wording and its meaning, a level of preservation granted to no other book. Characteristics and miraculous aspects of the Qur'an. 1. Eloquence and literary beauty. The Qur'an is in Arabic, but not just any Arabic. It is at the peak of eloquence and rhetoric. Neither poetry nor prose, its literary style is unparalleled, a miracle in itself. The Qur'an boldly challenges, "If you are in doubt about what we have revealed to our servant, then produce a surah like it." Its rhetoric addresses both a desert shepherd and the most learned scholar. Each takes from it according to their understanding. The harmony in its composition, the coherence between its words. These appeal to both the mind and the ear. No human speech can compare. 2. Unseen news. The Qur'an contains many reports of the unseen. Here are just two examples. In Surah Ar-Rum, it predicts that after their defeat, the Byzantines would soon be victorious again, which indeed came true miraculously within a few years. The conquest of Mecca. Indeed, Allah has fulfilled the vision He showed to His messenger truthfully. The Qur'an declares knowledge inaccessible to man. Proof of its divine origin. 3 indications of scientific truths. The Qur'an alludes to scientific facts long before their discovery. Origin of the universe. The heavens and the earth were joined together as one unit, then we split them apart, a sign of the Big Bang. Embryology. We created you from a drop, then from a clinging clot. Stages of embryonic development. Role of mountains. Have we not made the earth a resting place and the mountains as pegs? When the Qur'an speaks of the universe, it lays down the foundations of sciences, physics, chemistry, astronomy, all in seed form. 4. Universality and timelessness. The Qur'an addresses not only the 7th century Arab society, but also the people of the 21st century and all generations to come until the day of judgment. One verse can be understood by a villager and provide insight to a professor. The Qur'an is read in every age as if it has just been revealed. Every listener derives benefit according to their knowledge and needs. 5. Transformational power. pre-Islamic Arab society was plagued with blood feuds, slavery, moral decay, and ignorance. The Quran transformed this society in a short time into one based on justice, knowledge, and ethics. It is a cure that turns the sickest of societies into the most civilized through the hand of a prophet. The Constitution of Medina is a written testimony to this transformation. The superiority of the Quran over other scriptures. The Quran was sent not only to Muslims, but to all of humanity. We have sent you as a warner to all mankind. It contains not only moral principles, but also addresses social justice, economics, politics,